Rahul works in Dubai. Every month he sends money home to his parents in India. By the time it reaches them, days have passed and a big slice has been lost to fees and hidden charges. That's because cross-border payments rely on an established network of correspondent banks, multiple intermediaries, complex processes and legacy systems. Now, central bank digital currencies are changing that. Direct settlement in central bank money, no middlemen, near instant transfers, full transparency, and programmable rules are making payments smarter. Imagine Ankush traveling to Dubai. Instead of exchanging cash or paying hidden card fees, he just uses his CBDC wallet directly. The RBI is striving to make the CBDC payments interoperable with foreign systems to enable seamless transaction experience for the travelers. Udita, a small enterprise owner in handicraft exports, no longer waits weeks for her payments to clear. With CBDC automated processing and programmable rules, the RBI aims to improve the realization time to seconds, giving Udita faster access to working capital. In capital markets, the RBI aims to provide CBDC and the rails to enable atomic settlement. When a trader in Singapore sells securities to a buyer in Mumbai, the money and securities move together in one step. No risks, no delays, just safer, faster settlements. These rails can also lay the foundation of a tokenized cross-border financial ecosystem where tokenized assets settle in CBDCs in real time atomically. The RBI is in advanced discussions with several central banks to improve efficiency in cross-border settlements. Further, it is actively contributing to multilateral projects led by the BIS Innovation Hub that are shaping the future of cross-border payments. CBDCs are more than just digital money. They lay the foundation of borderless payments, fast, fair and friction-free. CBDC, making money transfer seamless beyond border.